everybody. How are you today? Are you okay? I hope so. Are you happy? I hope so. This is Mr. Jean-Didier Uwingabie from Rwanda. And here I am at Liberty Speaking YouTube channel. The site that has come to help everybody improve any languages that is spoken worldwide. Today we are going to continue where we stopped by last week. We are going to continue studying verb tenses. Today we are going to look at past continuous tense. Let's get started. Past continuous tense. The past continuous tense, also known as the past progressive tense, refers to a continuing action or state that was happening at some point in the past. The past continuous tense is formed by combining the past tense of to be, example, was, were, with the verb's present participle, ing word or ing word. There are many situations in which this verb tense might be used in a sentence. For example, it is often used to describe conditions that existed in the past. The sun was shining every day that summer. As I spoke, the children were laughing at my cleverness. It can also be used to describe something that was happening continuously in the past when another action interrupted it. The audience was applauding when he fell off the stage. I was making dinner when she arrived. The past continuous can shed light on what was happening at a precise time in the past. At 6 o'clock, I was eating dinner. It can also refer to a habitual action in the past. She was talking constantly in class in those days. One final caution. Though the irregularities are few, not every verb is suited to describing a continuous action. Certain verbs can't be used in the past continuous tense. One common example is in the verb to arrive. At noon, he was arriving. Don't say at noon he was arriving, but say at noon he arrived. This is the end of explanation. Now, let's continue with the dialogue. Let's go on with English dialogue practice.
What were you doing?
I telephoned you yesterday afternoon, but you didn't answer. Where were you?
I was in another room when you called. I didn't hear the phone ringing until it was too late. What were you working on?
I was photocopying a report that I needed to send to a client.
What were you doing when you telephoned?
I was looking for Tom and couldn't find him.
Do you know where he was?
Tom was driving to a meeting.
Oh, I see. What did you do yesterday?
I met representatives from drivers in the morning. In the afternoon, I worked on the report and was just finishing when you telephoned. What did you do?
Well, at 9 I had a meeting with Miss Anderson. After that, I did some research.
Sounds like a boring day.
Yes, I don't really like doing research, but it needs to be done.
I agree with you on that.
No research, no business.
Tell me about the report.
What do you think of it?
I think the report is good. Tom believes it's good too.
I know that every report you write is excellent.
Thank you, bestie. You are always a good friend. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. However, we'd like to encourage you to watch more lessons by clicking the subscribe button. That was your English language teacher, Jean-Didier Uwingabie. If that was your first time, we encourage you to keep online so that you will receive more lessons. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.